Something unusual is happening in the global economy right now, and silver is reacting before most people notice. This isn't random. This isn't hype. Silver has always moved ahead of economic stress, not after it. And right now, silver is flashing a warning signal that usually appears before major economic shifts. Here's what you must understand. Silver is not just a precious metal. It's one of the most sensitive economic indicators in the market. It responds to inflation, currency weakness, industrial demand, and fear, all at the same time. When silver starts moving aggressively, it's rarely about jewelry or electronics. It's about confidence breaking. Historically, silver explodes when the economy is unstable, but the public still believes everything is under control. That's exactly where we are now. Markets are calm on the surface. Jobs still exist. News headlines sound reassuring. But underneath, the system is under pressure. Debt levels are unsustainable. Governments are trapped by interest costs. Central banks are running out of clean solutions. This creates a dangerous situation, not a slow collapse, but a sudden repricing. And silver reacts early to that reality. One key signal is currency stress. When confidence in fiat money weakens, capital looks for hard assets. Gold moves first. Silver follows faster and more violently. Another signal is industrial slowdown mixed with monetary easing. That combination is toxic for the economy but explosive for silver prices. It means growth is weakening, but money printing is returning. Silver thrives in that environment. But here's the part most people misunderstand. A silver explosion does not mean long-term safety. It means short-term panic. Silver spikes when fear rises, and fear does not last forever. That's why silver rallies are powerful but unstable. This is where smart money behaves differently from regular investors. Regular investors see rising prices and chase. Smart money sees rising prices and prepares exits. They understand that silver explosions happen before the economic damage becomes obvious. Once the collapse is visible, silver often sells off as liquidity is needed elsewhere. This is why timing matters more than belief. Right now, the silver signal is not telling you to panic. It's telling you to pay attention. It's telling you the economy is fragile. It's telling you a shift is approaching. And it's telling you that positioning matters more than prediction. Another warning sign is how quickly sentiment can flip. When silver headlines suddenly dominate media, when influencers promise unrealistic targets, when retail demand surges, that's usually the final phase. That phase creates explosive upside, followed by violent reversals. Smart money sells into that emotion. They don't argue with the trend. They use it. This is why silver is one of the most dangerous assets to hold without a plan. It moves too fast. It punishes hesitation. In past cycles, silver doubled, then crashed while people were still celebrating. Those who understood the signal walked away with profits. Those who ignored it gave everything back. The economy doesn't collapse politely. It cracks quietly, then suddenly. Silver is reacting to that crack right now. This doesn't mean everything ends tomorrow. It means the system is unstable enough that small shocks can cause big reactions. And in those moments, silver moves first. The real question is not whether silver will explode. It's whether you'll understand what the explosion means. Opportunity or warning. Because when silver explodes due to economic stress, it's not the start of safety. It's the peak of fear. And fear is always temporary. If you're watching silver, you're already ahead of most people. But watching isn't enough. You need awareness. You need discipline. And most importantly, you need a plan. Because silver doesn't wait for confirmation. It moves and leaves unprepared investors behind.